This is a good move. The appeal court has served the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami and the Director General of the Department of State Service DSS headquarters Abuja with the judgment which discharged and acquitted Nnamdi Kanu. This man is trying to be smart by half. Immediately Nnamdi Kanu was discharged and acquitted, this man removed the acquitter or whatever is being called, remove that and say it is only the it is only discharge that they discharge him, so he will still be detained. And he was looking for flimsy excuse here and there. And to the extent he has disgraced himself, disgraced Nigeria, disgraced judiciary, disgraced the office of the presidency because he's trying to be stubborn. They've served himself and the DSS with the judgment. So he should go and tell the courts that you don't know what you are saying. The judges that the three-man panel judge, that three-man panel that organized or that gave that judgment, you want to tell us that they don't know what they are doing, you are more intelligent than them, or you think the office of the Attorney General is more superior, or you have your own constitution. Really, now he's telling us that the Southeast leaders, politicians are the ones holding Nnamdi Kanu. And IPOB has replied him. So are you telling us that those ones are now institution on their own? When the court has said something and you said it is not so, you are looking for excuse here and there. Even outside the country, the institution outside the country, they have told you to release this man. You know you did wrong. And you just want to use your own to rob the Kenyan government. Of those ones, they agree to do the dirty job. But let's see how those ones going to get their own pay at the end of the day. So you should go, and if he does not want it, it's been 1 week now. Yes, okay. By tomorrow it will be 1 week that the court has made the judgment, and they have not appealed it. You are just telling us, giving us your own interpretation. Who does that? Giving us your own interpretation. They don't have case, just like it's been said concerning Shiwore's case. See, today they can't go forward, they can't move back, not until when Shiwore was allowed to move around the country. To the extent they even restricted this man to Abuja alone. But now, because of their flimsy and unnecessary things, wickedness, that's the way I just see it. The same way this man was discharged and acquitted, this shite man, Ezazaki, you know that nobody is saying anything concerning that man. We still have the case of Dasuki. Nothing is being said. So they are just holding Nnamdi Kanu. And to me, they need to be sued for bringing this man back to this country illegally. They are not saying anything about that. So he should go to court and tell them, and he do his own interpretation. Let us have his own interpretation. Now he's trying to shift the blame to the leaders of Southeast. Of course, they all know what they are doing. They all know what they are doing. Good. Appeal court has spoken, and please obey the court. You're still begging him. It's a good move. You're still begging Malami. Oh my God, this man, he doesn't know what he's doing. He's playing with fire. Thank God that the lawyer are so strong. Those guys tried anyway. They tried. It's only Nnamdi Kanu's case that you see in court. All the bandits, all the Boko Haram and ISWAP, they are claiming responsibility. Malami will never say anything concerning them. They will not even go after them. They will not go after them. 4 times this year, ISWAP has claimed responsibility of all the attacks that they carried out in Kogi State. The presidency will not issue any statement. Buhari will not be angry about that. They just issued another statement, I think 2 days ago. We didn't hear anything from Adesina and Garba. Even this man is even tired. Like Mohammed himself is even tired. Since this case, they have not even said anything. It's only Malami that has been talking. All these people, even Oshibaji will keep quiet. So if somebody is a vice president, so he cannot say anything, I don't understand. You can't say anything until you are told to say something before you say something. What is his role? Or what are his role in all these things that have been happening? He will not say anything. Now so that they do the vice presidency or whatever. Now if not so, there's no point, because the power is just it's just like anybody can do it. Even they can be using the SGF and to be doing it. What did they call this? The position this man is holding, Gambari is holding. What do they call it? chief of staff, yeah, the town is chief of army staff, chief of staff should be doing the work of Oshibajo, because I don't even know the essence of the vice president that they are talking about, because he doesn't have any even small authority. He doesn't have. He cannot even contribute. It's like just like a slave master relationship. As intelligent, as educated, and even as far as law is concerned, the man is law inclined. He has the knowledge. I don't even understand this one that used to call like a Osoyin. What's this man's name? That's the one that has left his job now, be campaigning for Tinubu. Keyamu. They cannot say anything. Of course, now they are going to say rubbish. They will turn everything upside down. They will turn everything upside down. Shame on them. And a lot of them have been having a heart attack since this man has been released. You are just deceiving. Malami, you are just embarrassing yourself. And they don't even care, because they are just like a local champion. They don't even care. They don't care. They don't care what others feel about them. Now that they have served you, we want to know what you mean by he was only discharged, not acquitted. Was that not what the law said, or what the judges said, what the court said? You are not interpreting it. You have your own book. You have your own constitution that you go to interpret. How do you expect Nigeria to move forward with this crop of people, himself and Buhari? How can we have people like that and you expect this country to move forward? And they want to bring other people who are even more brutal than them to power. Oh my God, it's just unfortunate. Oh my goodness, it's just unfortunate. What kind of a thing is this? What kind of people are this? Now, with all the gidi, and they made us to understand that they spent hell of money, this same presidency, in bringing Nnamdi Kanu. And meanwhile, you did the wrong thing. And this one that has been running his mouth, Dokubo, he has been running his mouth anyhow. That I smoked him out. I will do this. At the end of the day, he can't tell us, say, even read law for 5 years. Like, seriously, who dash you? All the wicked people, God will disgrace all of you. You will pay in one way or the other. All the things, all the words you think you are amassing to yourself, you will vomit them. You will vomit them. And those of you who will see black and call it white, all of you, you will pay dearly. In whatever way, God will pay you back. You will not ever go unpunished unless you come out and confess. Not only in Nnamdi Kanu's case, but the torture and the suffering that you have put Nigerians, you almost pay. You almost pay in one way or the other. You think you are doing anybody. You think you are being wicked to people. You are being wicked to yourself. You don't even know what you are doing to yourself. All of you in that category. It's unfortunate. So Malami, go to court and go and answer that case. Whether you go to interpret the law in a different way. Let us see. So guys, leave your comment down there below and let's have your take.